Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Weekly Contest 306. Whew. 50 seconds to go, so hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, wish me good luck, and let me know what you think about this contest, each problem, and so forth. I'll have, if you search for it or just in the links below, you'll find a description about each of the problem or me explaining it anyway, maybe not the description. Yeah, I think that's really it. I don't know why they keep on giving away. Did they like buy a pack of 20 and like, I don't know, like, do people really want an Apple HomePod Mini or like what's going on? Anyway, yeah, what's going on? I guess I've just been focused on reading things correctly this time, and then hopefully sell things correctly this time. So that's kind of my focus for this contest. So let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, loading. Yeah. Okay. 5 seconds just for loading. This is like some crazy technology. Okay, what's a local? Okay, fine. Is it? Okay, so. What do we want to get? We want to get the max. Yeah, okay, fine. Let's see. FOI. I'll just do it this way. Wait, what am I doing? So we won. Oh yeah, okay. It's actually kind of bad. Very easy go wrong here. Okay, fine. Is equal to, let's just say, quid of J. This is this minus 2. I think. This took me a long time actually. Okay, 9986. Oh, what? How did this? This is wrong. So I'm glad that I got this before, but because this would be actually a tragic to get it wrong on the first thing. Why is this wrong though? Huh? 022. 22. Oh, this is dumb. Oh, I'm dumb. Okay. Okay. I am a silly boy. Okay. One outgoing edge. It's a functional graph. Shout to Josh. Some of them. What is this in? Huh? that what they're asking for? I'm just not even sure on it at this point. This is what they're asking for. Okay, we want the. Okay, so. What's this? 7 and 0. Okay. No whammy, no whammy. Huh. We just did a bonus question like this. But this is tricky, different. Okay, so it has at most 8 characters. But that's 8 factorial, right? 8 factorial is 40,000, so we can try that. Or 9 factorial? 9 factorial is 362,000, so we could just do that. Yeah, okay. 9 factorial times 9. That's cutting it close, but should still be okay. I think. If this times out, that'll be very sad. Actually. Yeah, okay. Let's just do it. No, because then now I'm doing a 9 to the 8. If I'm not careful. Let's see. How to do permutations in Python. Because in C++ I would just do permutation things, but nope. And then permutations of I guess just range n+1 really. Is that good? This is pending for pretty long. Let me think about running code while doing it. The server's a little slow. Okay, so that looks what I want. I promise you don't get any. How much time does that take? Without the printing, say. Maybe that's fast enough. We'll see. I might. This may time out. Okay, fine. Greater than t sub I plus 1. Yeah. If padding of I is equal to decrease, then we're bad. if I guess here we can do else. Oh no, this is good. Oops. Yep. Work. Else we return T. I know that this isn't quite. Do we always have an answer? Okay. Oh, I have to add 1, I think. But that seems like the right answer. Whether that's fast enough is another story, but let's give it a submit. Okay, cool. People already gotten this, so let's see. If all the digits are distinct. Okay. This is gonna be a hard problem. Why are there 40 submissions already? What are people doing? How am I doing? People already done? A-Wise is already done, of course. How do I count this? Is it DP? Let's see, 9 digits is 9 factorial, right? Something like this. So there's only 362. It's kind of 10 factorial, so it's 3 million. So I'm going to do 3 million operations per thing. It's going to be too slow, but I feel like I have to cheat for this one, but it's 3 million times 10. Converted to each number, I mean, it's about 36 million. I think in certain languages it's okay, and you do a binary search or something. I don't know, that's cutting it close though, even especially for smaller numbers. Maybe not, I don't know. I feel like I've done this one before though, but this is like a prefix DP thing, that's kind of hard. Basically, the idea here is just brute force on the number of digits, right? So, meaning, okay, we know the answer for, so, okay, let's see. 1 digit is going to be 10, 2 digit is going to be 10 times 9, is it? Is that true? 1, 2, 9 is going to be 10, and then 10 is going to be, the first digit could be one of the 9 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm wrong on that one. And then it's gonna be 9, and then also 9 because the second digit could be a 0. So 9 times 9, and then the third one is gonna be no leading zeros, and then it's just 9 times 8 for none of the, okay. So, and then after that it's just the same thing we've done before, right? Okay. Maybe just to be honest, this may be too slow. I don't know if this is going to be too slow, just because it depends on the number of inputs they give, but in theory it should be okay. No, because 2 times 10 to the 9 is 10 digits. And 10 factorial is a little bit big in Python anyway. Maybe I gotta do it in another language. Let's just do it in another language. And then what we want is so I minus 1 factorial, right? Or times 9 times whatever. Okay, so this is just me being lazy, but okay, so yeah, is equal to 1, and then actually this is equal to 9. Okay. A lot of people know this one, I think. It is in the literature is why I say that, not because, you know, but I don't know that I'm doing it the right way, to be honest, but we'll see. Okay. Can I do it on stream? I actually don't remember. This is just Okay, so maybe you can. No, this is not what we want. What we want is actually, oh, it's not just, it's 10 choose, it's 10 choose n, right? So it's, what is the biggest version? 10 choose 5. What's 10 choose 5? 10 choose 5 is, no, that's not bad. 10 choose 9 is 10, and then it's 10 choose 10, but it's factorial, right? 10 choose 9. Maybe this is too expensive, to be honest. Wow, people are very fast on this one. I think that the way to do this is actually DP, but I don't really know. Okay. Okay. I think there's another way to do it without brute force. I was just being lazy, really. Okay, so for each digit, maybe even just in case. Okay. Okay, then the idea is, maybe I could have done this in Python now that I think about it. So, yeah, okay, back we are. Yeah, doesn't really matter. So, yeah. Okay. And then it's just doing over the prefix. But basically, for j in range of I, right, we have, so we fix one digit. No, so, okay. So if I is equal to 0, oops. Okay, if I is equal to 0, if I is not equal to 0, what happens? Well, then we can choose every number starting with this prefix. So we fix one number, and we have n minus I digits left, n minus I minus 1 digits left, and that's just, you know, this is actually a little bit wrong. Maybe what I want is, yeah, I think this is, I mean, this is fine, but yeah, okay, so total is equal to 0. If I is less than length of s, something like that, right? If it's exactly length of I, then it's different anyway. Okay. Let's see if that makes sense so far. So, okay, so I'm saying that, why is it so much? Definitely wrong, but, oh, because I'm missing the 0 digits, so this is just 0. Okay, we should be under, and that's fine. Okay, we'll get this. This isn't insurmountable. It's just I have to work out a lot of cases, I suppose. And then here we want to do another lookup, which is kind of funky, I guess, but whatever. This is very awkward, but nonetheless. Okay, so let's see. So we want to we fix one number, so then we can add the other numbers. And this, in this case, we have, maybe that's not necessary, but okay, just to say cock of. So okay, so if I is equal to 0 and j is equal to 0, we continue. Otherwise, we have n minus 1 full digits left, where 1 is fixed. So fixed is 1, I plus 1, and then we just add it. I guess it will never go overflow because it can't, but yeah. So fixed left, so then it's just, you have 10 digit minus fixed, and then yeah. Okay. So that should get us very close, but it's not quite it, because we have to do the prefix stuff, right? And also this is just really well. Why is that so well? Oh. This should be left. This should be left minus x, something like this. Oh geez, what am I doing? Okay, so we fixed these digits. We want to calculate these digits, so we minus the fix. No, it should be 10 minus fixed minus x. So what does this go up to? This is left for each number that is left. Okay. Okay, so this basically is saying, okay, you have 10. So you have one number, you have 1, so we have one number that's left, one fixed. So, and maybe this is 0 now then. So basically you have 9. I think this is now right-ish. Nope, too much. Because, so 1 is 0, then we multiply this by 0, 0, and this is 10, but this shouldn't be 10, because we have one fixed digit. I'm too slow at this today. Because if this is a 1, then one digit is fixed. Why is this giving me a 10? Okay, let's get a prefix, right? Prefix is 9, so that's good. Oh, okay, I think I messed up how I interpreted, but that's actually lower than I expected then. This means that this increments by 1, but what it should do is, and j is not, so I is the first digit. This is actually just very wrong. What by 1 is actually s sub I, and what I want is actually something like that. Okay, is this right? No, but I expect that, because then now we can add the prefix. Now let's say we have a okay, so that's all the stuff, right? So how do I do s sub I? So we fix s sub I is what we want to do, right? And then okay, so then we go to the second digit. So why is 2 0? So 2's digits. Let me put that. Wow, a lot of people got it really quickly. I am not. I'm really slow on this one, unfortunately. Okay. I'm wondering the current S thing does anything. Let's get rid of it. Okay. Why is it off? Because now we go to now we go 2 digits in, right? So we go 2 0, we fix 2 digits, and then we go 2 2. We want to print it out. So, okay, 9, and then after 0 digits, this should give me a 1, but why is it not giving me a 1? Because the digit is 0. That makes sense, actually. So, okay. So, basically we want to increment if this is not Gucci. Okay, fine. If so this is a unique number, we increment by 1 because that's the number that we don't worry about. Because on this prefix, then we have to figure out whether we want to add this prefix, right? And we want to add this prefix if, well, let's run it again. I mean, at first we should duplicate, but 48 is very low, so starting with 1, this should be more than 48. So this is actually pretty bad. So 0, this 18, that's fine, maybe, probably. On 1 digit. No, that's not enough. Because basically if you start with 1, 9 times 8, right? So you fix, so that should not be 18. What am I returning here? Why is that so weird? Also, this is pretty wrong because I'm adding the same stuff. That's probably why. I forgot J. No, I guess it doesn't really matter what J is, as long as it's not a number that we've seen before, but which we were supposed to dedupe later anyway. So okay, so oh wait, no. Also, this is just wrong then, because this thing is wrong maybe. So because it puts 18, but 18 is clearly wrong because what's going on in this lookup array? 9 9 9 1 digit. Okay, and then 2 digit is is 9 times. Okay, I think this is what, 9 digits. 9 times 9. Okay, wow, what a silly. Okay, so I have 19, 5, and 120. That's fine because I think I knew that I was over counting because I'm over counting the cases where we've seen it before, right? Because I'm double counting the 11 suffix. Okay, I think we're close, but oh yeah. Basically, if scene of J, we continue. Otherwise, if this prefix is already done, let's see. If scene of S of I, we break because we don't want to continue anyway. I think maybe this is right. Very possible that there's wrong answers. Let's get rid of the print statement and then we're gonna YOLO, to be honest. Yeah, and maybe a YOLO after doing something like just to kind of get a sanity check. I expect this to be 9 factorial-ish, or 10 factorial-ish, so that looks okay. Let's give it a submit. Oof. Off by 1, my guess. 99. Why is 99 wrong? Oh. Because this is seen, so I break. But I'm not doing the suffix. So, okay, so this part is wrong. But, okay, maybe I need to do that. So that was a silly mistake. Okay, maybe that's the only one. That's YOLO again. Okay, cool. A little bit slow, a little bit unfortunate. Oh well. It was a fun one. I mean, this is definitely not my strength. So, and I think I was trying too hard to try to figure out a easy way to do it. And to be honest, I feel like this is the way to do it, ish. But I was trying too hard to, you know. I think I was trying too hard to be clever. I don't know if there is a more clever answer, but yeah, and even this is a little. I could have done it in a little bit cleaner, right? I think someone showed me how do I check my submissions again. How do I check? Someone told me that I can check my recent submissions. I could look at the timing. I don't know how to do it. Let me see if I can. Submissions, something like this. For the timing. Maybe I won't care, but of course this is also a little bit off. Maybe we could have, you know, but I mean, this is not. I actually was thinking about doing an optimization because this is obviously this doesn't change. Also, I should have cached this. I actually thought about caching this, but then I forgot. I just totally forgot, to be honest. And obviously this doesn't change, but this also does at most like 10 things, so it's fine. But I'm told that my submission has runtime. Okay, on the question page. Okay, so this is fast enough that I'm not gonna optimize. Just checking, and okay, looks good. I probably could have done faster on this one, but I think I was just going back and forth and trying to come up with a clever solution, or maybe not clever, just lazy. Because I was thinking that I can brute force or, but I thought it maybe it's too much. I don't know, but. But yeah, I mean, I don't really expect. I think I could have done better for sure. Maybe I gotta stop looking for shortcuts. I mean, wow, all these Chinese. I mean, I also know that this is I wouldn't say it's a well-known problem, but it's not a. It's something that it is a knowable question that people have practiced on, and I think I practiced this before, like maybe 10 years ago, so not anytime recently, but even I recognize it, and wow, all the Chinese flags. Well done, China. What's my timing again? 40th. Oh man, now you're going to be top 200 at this point. I think I was just trying to be too cute. This wasn't that bad, but even when someone like Superliminal took a while, and they're very good. So I don't know what to say. And my first 3 problems weren't fast, or it wasn't that slow. Or it wasn't that slow, but it wasn't that fast either. Not even. Oh, I am top 200, but I think there may be some penalty left, so it may go down a little bit more. 40 minutes. I guess I have like a minute of penalty left or something for this to update. But oh, poor save 3MK. Oh look, Oh my god. Larry fan keeps beating. Oh no, I think I beat Larry fan, but, but and you know I don't want to call out my fans. It's just it would be embarrassing if I am literally have not beat my fan once. But I, mean, I don't know if it's embarrassing, but it would be amusing anyway. So it's nice to at least. But whoever it is, thanks for your love and support. Yeah. So yeah, I think I just took too long here. I mean, you saw the way. You know, depending on when you want. Oh, bongo, go, 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 bongo, go, go, go. But yeah, a lot of, and if you know, if I guess that just updated. Did I finish? Barely 200. Oh no, barely not 200. No. If you know, these are just people I wouldn't say I'm calling out. I'm just having fun with them, and hopefully it doesn't seem like I'm, you know. And also, congrats to Alex. Didn't you? I mean, I saw him way too early. That's why it's not like a surprise when I saw it, because I saw it the first before I even submitted Q4, right? So, it wasn't like that's why I'm not surprised. But obviously, congrats to Alex. Check out his server and channel. Oh, never give up. Congrats. Is Never Give Up? I thought it was. Maybe am I confusing people? I thought it was someone else, but okay. But in any case, yeah. Oh yeah. I'm just to be clear, I'm not making fun of anybody, or at least not specifically. All the people that I named are people on my server, on my Discord, to come hang out, and you know, I'm just giving them my props as I see them. And also just checking things out a little bit. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I definitely could have done better, but I really thought that I thought there's a not gonna lie, I thought there's a tricky DP solution. So I was trying to think about a lazier way. Um, but I really could have just done it faster. I mean, that's the short answer. There's really nothing about it. I was a little bit slow today in general. What was the Q3? Yo, off by 1 on the Q1. And this one, I just had to read it correctly. This one, I don't, I don't know. 9 factorial is always scary. What was my submission time again? So, yeah, okay. So this is the n factorial one for 9. So okay, so that seems okay. So I don't have to worry about it. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I think this is like maybe I go up a few points. My rating's been just kind of. Maybe this is what I'm expected to do. It's just that there are a lot more smart people now. But that said, I should have done better. I like you know you're here, and if you're watching this, that means that you know you can go back and watch how I did that approach that Q4. And I was a little too hesitant, but I didn't. At least I didn't misunderstood anything. I had a silly wrong answer. I think that was a little bit costly. That wrong answer on. I actually did think about it, but I guess I thought about it, but I should have tested it. Because so the reason why I thought this worked is because in my mind I I think so. Yeah, the reason why I thought it worked, but I was just maybe a little bit too YOLO, was that I was testing like 115. So I was like, oh, okay. If you get a 1, you get out anyway. But what I didn't what I didn't think through is that if I like 661, then you don't loop on the 6 yet, or you don't get out on the 6. You just do you know the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 first, right? Anyway, that'll be in the explanation, but that's basically what I you know just trying to see whether I spot any other you know fellow Discorders. 210 is I mean I feel like I could have done okay, but man, mean. I guess Josh didn't do this contest, but yeah, haha. I always get kicked out of this. If I also, just to be clear, I do not know who this Larry NY fan is. I mean, they're almost doing better than I am. So what is even their rating? Yeah, I mean that's only one contest. So thanks for your support. Definitely, I don't know. I just find it funny, uh, but I should be doing better. But that's okay. I had the Q4 was fun though. At the very least, it's actually problem solving and not just, I don't know. I've been misreading a lot. So yeah, this post explanation thing has gone on a little bit too much. But yeah, I don't think I see. I guess it's just a lot of the Chinese did this problem very well. The Chinese and Alex. But I thought I saw Bongo. Bongo was stuck on Q3. That one is tricky if you didn't see it. It's so easy to miss seeing things. I mean, even Sheep Forever, who is like ridiculous, right? Like 3,000. If Sheep, I mean, it's just so easy to be like, try to outthink this a little bit, right? Because jeez, 16. I mean, so I don't mean to call them out. My point here is not to make fun of Sheep Forever. It's just that it's the opposite, really. It's that Sheep Forever has my respect for that problem, or for in general. And it's a name that I recognize. It's super, talented and good. And if they took 12 minutes, it's just one of those things where you can easily, things happen. I think that's what I mean. Like, it is okay to have a weird day for sure. Some days, though, I feel like, oh, there's Bongo. Oh, Bongo did beat me. Wait, this is the same Bongo, right? I think so. Huh. Yeah, so good job on people from my Discord. I think that's all I have for at least this. I don't know, I'm just hanging out and resting a little bit. I think my timer should be, I mean, I know that I guess there's some like late updating, but that should be roughly right. Still a little bit, I feel like I did okay. I mean, I think this, I think that's the thing with ratings sometimes, right? I mean, not that you should care about. And look at these people. I just mean that as in these ridiculous, like, what was his rating? Like 3,000, right? 3,000 something. Unless I'm thinking of someone else. Yeah, I mean, this is a tough contest, right? 3,200 rating and finishing 327. So there's a lot of room to be silly mistake or whatever. So my point there, like, again, is that I just want to show you that a lot of people get these things wrong. But I think, like, for me, Q4 is the type of problem that I know is my weakness. So if you're optimizing for rating, sometimes you don't have to be the best at everything. But if you're able to limit your downside on things you're bad at, then when you're good, just accentuating your goodness, and that'll be good. In fact, more people got Q4 than Q3. That's actually, well, that's not true. The reason why we see it is because it's sorted that way. Okay, Larry, you can read, but also there are a lot of smart people still haven't finished. That's actually kind of crazy. So that is to say, this is a very weird contest. But I will also say that I think a lot of, because Q4 is, like I said, I don't think it's standard. But if you're like Soho H, we go way back. Haven't seen Hendo in a long time. He's probably as old as I am, or give or take, maybe a little bit younger. Old top coder. Alright, I think I'm like on Twitch mode, even though I'm clearly on YouTube if you're watching it. Just chatty a lot. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have for this contest. Let me know what you think. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. Remember, I'll have explanation for each problem in its own video. Take care and goodbye.